complementary event. Corresponding to any event E associated with a random experiment, we define an event not E which occurs when and only when E does not occur. The event not E is called complementary event of E and is denoted by E bar. The sum of probability of an event and probability of its complementary event always equal to 1. Let us take an example. Consider a random experiment rolling of die in which let us take event of getting even number. E1 equal to 2, 4, 6. Here n of E1 equal to 3. Next, let us take event of getting odd number. Here E2 equal to 1, 3, 5. N of E2 equal to 3. Let us calculate probability of event 1, that is E1, that is equal to n of E1 by n of s, that is equal to 3 by 6. Probability of event 2 is equal to n of E2 by n of s, that equal to 3 by 6. Consider P of E1 plus P of E2, that is equal to 3 by 6 plus 3 by 6. Therefore, P of E1 plus P of E2 is equal to 3 plus 3 by 6, that is equal to 6 by 6, that is equal to 1. Therefore, E1 and E2 are complementary events. We can give another example, that is event of losing a match by a player is complementary event of winning the same match by the same player. Now let us take sure event. An event of a random experiment is called a sure or certain event if any one of its elements will surely occur in any trial of the experiment, or if probability of an event of a random experiment is 1, then that event is called sure event. Example, in random experiment of throwing a die, getting natural number, event of getting natural number is sure event. Here E is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. N of E is equal to 6. For this experiment, sample space S is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Therefore, N of S is equal to 6. Probability of event E, that is P of E equal to N of E by N of S, that is equal to 6 by 6, that is equal to 1. Therefore, the event getting natural number in the random experiment of throwing die is sure event. Now let us take impossible event. An event of a random experiment is called impossible event if no one of its element will occur in any trial of the experiment. This can also be defined as if probability of an event of a random experiment is 0, then that event is called impossible event. Example, getting natural number greater than 7 in the random experiment of throwing a die. Here E is equal to empty set. N of E is equal to 0. S is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Therefore, N of S is equal to 6. P of E is equal to N of E by N of S. That is equal to 0 by 6. That is equal to 0. Therefore, event of getting natural number greater than 7 in throwing of dice is an impossible event.